IELTS Learning Course. Day 1, what is IELTS? Academic versus general. Full explanation. Before you book your IELTS test, stop. Many students choose the wrong IELTS type and lose time, money, and confidence. Today, I'll make IELTS very clear for you. Welcome to Day 1 of our IELTS Learning Course. If you want to study abroad, work overseas, or apply for immigration, IELTS is one of the most important exams you will ever take. In this video, we will clearly understand what IELTS is, why IELTS is required, the 4 IELTS modules, the difference between academic IELTS and general training IELTS, which IELTS type is right for you. Watch this video till the end, because this is the foundation of your IELTS success. Part 1. What is IELTS? IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. It is a globally recognized English language test. It is accepted in more than 140 countries by universities, employers, immigration authorities, professional organizations. IELTS is designed to test real English, not memorized English. It checks how well you can understand spoken English, read English texts, write clearly in English, speak confidently in English. This test is not about difficult vocabulary or perfect grammar. It is about communication in real-life situations. Part 2. IELTS test format, 4 modules. IELTS has 4 modules and every candidate must take all 4. Listening, 30 minutes. You listen to conversations and monologues. Accents may include British, Australian, or Canadian English. Reading, 60 minutes, tests your understanding of written English, different for academic and general IELTS. Writing, 60 minutes, 2 tasks. Tests how clearly you organize ideas. Speaking, 11 to 14 minutes. Face-to-face interview with an examiner, tests fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. All 4 modules are equally important. Part 3. Why do people take IELTS? There are 3 main reasons people take IELTS. 1. Study abroad. Universities in the UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Europe require IELTS. 2. Work abroad. Many employers need proof that you can communicate in English. 3. Immigration. Countries use IELTS to check if you can live and work in an English-speaking environment. This is why choosing the correct IELTS type is very important. Part 4. Academic IELTS versus general training IELTS. Now let's understand the most confusing part. There are 2 types of IELTS: IELTS Academic, IELTS General Training. IELTS Academic Detailed. You take academic IELTS if your goal is education. You need academic IELTS if you want to study at a university, you want admission to college. You need professional registration, doctor, engineer, nurse. Academic IELTS Details. Listening. Same as general speaking, same as general reading, long academic texts. Writing task 1, graphs, charts, tables, or diagrams. Academic IELTS checks if you can understand and use English in an academic environment. IELTS General Training, detailed. You take general training IELTS for work or immigration. You need general IELTS if you want to move abroad. You are applying for immigration. You want a job in another country. General IELTS. Details. Listening. Same as academic speaking. Same as academic reading. Daily life topics. Writing task. 1. Letter writing. Formal or informal. General IELTS checks your English for everyday and workplace situations. Part 5. Which IELTS should you choose? Let's make it simple. If your goal is university or higher education, academic IELTS work, immigration or settlement, general IELTS, always check university website, immigration website, employer requirements. Choosing the wrong IELTS type can delay your plans. This was day 1 of our IELTS learning course. Now you clearly understand what IELTS is, why it is required academic versus general IELTS. In day 2, we will discuss IELTS band scores, how scoring really works and how to improve your band. If you are serious about IELTS preparation, subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment IELTS below. Simple IELTS. Smart preparation, Real results.